In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create editable Canva templates for selling on Etsy. This is a fantastic way to offer unique, customizable products to your customers while showcasing your design skills and creativity. First, head over to canva.com and log in with your pro account. If you don't have one yet, you can start a free trial. Having a Canva Pro account gives you access to all features necessary for creating professional and marketable templates. Once you're logged in, click on Create a Design to start your project. You'll need to select a size that's suitable for your template. For instance, choosing the Instagram post size, which is typically 1080 by 1350 pixels, is a great starting point as it's versatile and popular. Now, it's time to design your template. Use your creative flair to craft something eye-catching and functional. It's important to remember that you should only use free elements or graphics that you've created yourself. This ensures that whoever purchases your template can access all its components without additional costs or restrictions. As you structure your design, make it fully customizable. Think about allowing users to change text, colors, images, and even fonts. This versatility is what gives value to your product, meeting various customer needs and preferences. Keep your design neat, modern, and consistent with what your target audience would appreciate. A well-balanced, aesthetically pleasing, and cohesive look significantly enhances the user experience and attractiveness of your template. When you're happy with your design, it's time to get it ready for selling. Go to the top right of the screen and click Share. Here, you'll find the option Template Link. It's crucial to select this because it allows your buyers to copy the design into their own Canva accounts, which is the essence of selling a usable template. Next, copy that template link. This is what you'll provide to your customers as part of the file they will receive from Etsy. To deliver this, you'll need to create a PDF file, which you can easily do in Canva itself. In this document, include a brief welcome message that thanks your customers for their purchase and explains what they are receiving. Along with your welcome note, add clear instructions on how to use Canva. Many buyers may be new to Canva, and a simple guide will make their experience smooth and satisfactory. Lastly, ensure the PDF includes the all-important template link. Once your PDF file is complete, export it as your digital download file. This PDF will be what you upload to Etsy, making it accessible to your customers after they've made their purchase. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only created a valuable product, but also established yourself in the dynamic world of selling digital templates online.